What are you doing here? This isn't your territory.
Yeah, I know. But there's something,
You what?
I know it sounds really embarrassing what you told me before.
And what's that?
Well, see me, saw means we're the same.
Well, I never thought I'd hear you say that.
I was wrong to leaving my father in the pack. I'm shameful. He's right. We're all wrong. Keanu's right. We stick together. We're a family. Ohana means family. Family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten. I think it's your dad, Soren. Your father. We're gonna get him in his pack before he's gonna leave tomorrow.
And what made you realize that?
That means we're gonna get everyone go there and get the cops. Miguel!
There's no time to lose! Let's go!
We'll meet you there, Chisiri. Okay, now what? What have they done to my truck? They're going up. There's an old cable car in this truss on the top of the bottom of a mountain. Wait a minute. We gotta follow them, guys. She gets up there. I knew it. Soren, get down the mountain. You're gonna stop those cops. Run a little road, then a little down a little show them. I don't care. Just tell them to go a wrong way. Easy peasy, boss. Leave this to me. You're not gonna catch them in time. Is that coffee? I can't believe it. I'm saying this, but drink up. We might want to stay. Whoa! Go get him, boy! What have I done? Now the rest is up to us. Can I have coffee?